Hi, this is Reverend Ken. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to like and share our video and comment on the video. It will mean a great deal to us. It will help spread our message out to a wider audience. So again, be sure to like us, to make a comment about us, or to share it with all your friends. It will do a great deal of good. Thank you so much. Today I'm reading from Reverend Sandy Friedman Loomis from Sacramento, California, and she wrote, "There is great, grand, and glorious good within me. For God is expressing and having its being in me and as me. The divine and I are one." Now let us put these words of wisdom to power in our life through affirmative prayer. So know this truth with me today. There is only one God, one mind, one power, and that power is divine love, its perfect intelligence. And today, here, now, I am open and receptive to every great idea Spirit has for me to live in love and health and joy and happiness and prosperity. I know God and I are one, so I know I am one with God's good. And I am open and receptive to every good showing up in my life. And I'm grateful for it. This is my truth. I celebrate it. I rejoice this right idea, and I release this prayer into the mind of God to do its good and perfect, bold and dynamic work, returning to me multiplied abundantly. And together we say, and so it is.